You're listening to the Skyy Lifestyles coaching series, helping men all around the world to attract and connect with women on level few men will ever experience. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and visit us at coryskyy.com.
When I meet a girl, it's a simple thing. I know who I am. I know what I want. I know what I don't want. What do you have to offer me? It's pretty fucking clear. When I meet a girl, I clearly explain to her that I want to fuck her. I am so clear with my explanation that I don't even have to say a word. She feels it. I can look her in her eyes, in her left eye, because that's the emotional side, which is what you do when talking to women. You want to be able to connect with them on an emotional level. And I tell her that I want to fuck the hell out of her, and I'm extremely interested in her, without saying a word. How do I do that? By having the correct mindset. By not having any doubts within myself. It is so clear and evident that she picks up on it to where it's so powerful that she can look me in the eyes within the first 20 seconds of seeing me and just know that we're going to be together. I know that I'm going to be with the girl within the first 30 seconds of looking her in her eyes. And so does she. That's what's fucking crazy about this, guys. That's why it's so important to get your mindset correct. You get rid of all these limiting negative beliefs. You get rid of that little stupid-ass voice telling you not to do this or not to do that. You get rid of all this stupid shit. You start becoming clear. When you become clear, you can look at a woman and speak to her without saying a fucking word. Now that's power. You want power. Every man wants power. Every man desires power, strength, control. You cannot control your external circumstances, what other people do. What you can control is your mind, yourself. How you act, how you react, what you think about, how you feel. That is in your control, and that is your gift from God. Accept it. Utilize it to its full potential. Stop letting your life run based on default. Stop letting external circumstances control your life. Start taking control of your life. Practice this. Talking to people on a subconscious level. I'm going to give you a couple tips right now how you can practice it. When you get into the conversation, maybe whether it's with a coworker, your boss, a friend, and you're just in a kind of a social setting, and you're talking with them verbally, take a second and pause and think about something that you want to say to to this person and actually say it to them in your mind without saying a word. Really focus upon this thought in your mind. Maybe it's with a girl. Maybe it's with a girl you just meet. You know, I do this consistently now, even to this day. You know, I still do this. You know, I'll be with a girl, and I want her to know something, and I want to see if she can pick it up on a nonverbal level, on a nonverbal wavelength, on an energetic level, just by me putting that much power and strength and thought and focus on this one thought to get her to feel it without saying a word. And here's the thing, some people won't be able to pick up on it because they're so in their heads, but women typically are extremely clear with this stuff and are in tune with it. So I recommend you do it with a woman. Maybe it's your mom. God forbid you do something, think about sexual thoughts with your mom, but no, you can think about something with your mom in the sense of, you know, it would really be nice, Mom, if you cooked that great lasagna that you used to cook when I was a kid. And you think, just put that in your mind and focus on it and just really just spend some time on that and just focus upon it and just let her know that you want her to make that lasagna without actually physically saying it. Everyone listening to this can try this exercise, this experiment. If it doesn't work the first time, keep trying, because I know it's going to work. That's how powerful the mind is. I've been doing it all my life with women. Now it's time for you to start getting clear with yourself so you can start communicating with women on a nonverbal level and letting them know that you're interested in them without saying a word, so you can start having the enjoyment and satisfaction of women approaching you, women qualifying themselves to you without saying a word. Are you ready to start being a little bit selfish and start living for you? Here's a good question. Ask yourself this right now. Am I comfortable being selfish? Some of you probably answered that. Yeah, I'm comfortable with it. And others might have said, well, being selfish means you're an asshole. Or maybe you didn't even say that. Maybe you just answered it yes, and maybe you just got some awkward, uncomfortable feeling associated with it. Think about that for a minute. Why? Is it because of the way you were raised? Is it because of religion? Your family? Something a friend said to you a long time ago about, that being selfish is bad. There's nothing wrong with being selfish. It's one of the first things that you need to acknowledge, face, and accept throughout this process of changing your mindset. You need to be clear and understand that being selfish is okay. The more you put yourself first, the more people you can help, the more people that will want to be around you. Know that you're great, but not greater than.